क्या हाल है टेक फैम। उम्मीद है आप सब अच्छे होंगे। आपका दोस्त मिस्टर नोबडी वापस आ गया है।
और आज हम Acer Predator Helios 16 गेमिंग लैपटॉप के बारे में बात करेंगे। ये एक ऐसा लैपटॉप है जो गेमर्स के लिए स्पेशली डिजाइन किया गया है। ये बीस्ट टॉप टियर परफॉर्मेंस और फीचर्स का वादा करता है गेमर्स ऑन द गो के लिए। इसका डिजाइन और बिल्ड क्वालिटी भी काफी इंप्रेसिव है, लेकिन क्या ये हाइप पे खरा उतरता है? लेट्स फाइंड आउट। हम इसके हर एस्पेक्ट को डिटेल में देखेंगे। एसर का प्रेडेटर लाइन हमेशा से ही गेमिंग लैपटॉप्स की लिमिट्स को पुश करने के बारे में रहा है और इस बार भी कुछ अलग नहीं है। और Helios 16 भी इसी ट्रेडिशन को आगे बढ़ाता है। इसका अग्रेसिव डिजाइन और पावरफुल स्पेक्स इसे स्टैंड आउट बनाते हैं। अपने पावरफुल स्पेक्स और अग्रेसिव डिजाइन के साथ ये डेफिनेटली आपका ध्यान खींचता है। लेकिन क्या ये सिर्फ दिखने में ही अच्छा है? लेकिन हम यहाँ सिर्फ लुक्स के लिए नहीं हैं। हम इसकी रियल वर्ल्ड परफॉर्मेंस को टेस्ट करेंगे। We want to know how it handles the latest games, कितना हीट होता है और क्या ये लॉन्ग गेमिंग सेशंस के लिए सूटेबल है, and whether it's worth your hard-earned cash. क्या ये आपके पैसे वसूल करता है या नहीं? अगले कुछ सेक्शंस में we'll break down everything this laptop has to offer. हम इसके हर फीचर को डिटेल में देखेंगे। We'll put its performance to the test, check out its display, और देखेंगे कि इसका डिस्प्ले कितना विविड और क्लियर है, and see how long the battery lasts. क्या ये लॉन्ग गेमिंग सेशंस के लिए बैटरी बैकअप प्रोवाइड करता है? तो तैयार हो जाइए, because we're about to unleash the beast. ये रिव्यू आपको बताएगा कि क्या ये लैपटॉप आपके लिए सही चॉइस है। Alright, let's get technical and talk specs. When it comes to gaming laptops, the details matter. And the Acer Predator Helios 16 does not disappoint. Acer Predator Helios 16 कई configurations में आता है, catering to different needs and budgets, ensuring there's a model for every type of gamer out there. लेकिन हम जिस मॉडल को देख रहे हैं, उसमें latest 13th Gen Intel Core i9 processor है. This processor is designed to handle the most demanding tasks, from intense gaming sessions to heavy multitasking. This thing is a beast, offering plenty of power for gaming, streaming, and anything else you throw at it. Whether you're editing videos, streaming your gameplay, or running complex software, this laptop can handle it all. इस powerful CPU के साथ है एक NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 laptop GPU. This GPU ensures that your games run smoothly, with stunning visuals and high frame rates. ये graphics card भी कमाल का है, allowing you to crank up the graphics settings in your favorite games and enjoy smooth frame rates. No more lag or stuttering, just pure immersive gameplay. साथ ही 16 GB of DDR5 RAM के साथ आप multitask कर सकते हैं without breaking a sweat. This means you can run multiple applications simultaneously, switch between tasks effortlessly, and keep your productivity high. Storage-wise, आपको मिलता है एक spacious 1 TB NVMe SSD, providing ample room for your games, applications, and files. This ensures fast load times and quick access to your data, so you can spend more time playing and less time waiting. ये specs मिलके Helios 16 को बनाते हैं एक true powerhouse, capable of handling demanding tasks with ease. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or someone who needs a reliable and powerful laptop, the Helios 16 has got you covered. First impressions matter, और Acer Predator Helios 16 अपने डिजाइन के साथ एक स्टेटमेंट बनाता है. It's got that gamer aesthetic, but it's not overly flashy. The build quality feels solid, with a sturdy chassis that can handle being tossed in a backpack. सबसे आकर्षक है इसका 16-inch WQXGA display. This thing is gorgeous, boasting a 2560 by 1600 resolution and a buttery smooth 240 Hz refresh rate. Whether you're gaming or watching movies, the visuals are crisp, vibrant, and incredibly immersive. The high refresh rate makes a noticeable difference, especially in fast-paced games. Now for the moment you've all been waiting for, gaming performance. We put the Helios 16 through its paces with some of the latest AAA titles, and it did not disappoint. From Cyberpunk 2077 to Red Dead Redemption 2, the laptop handled everything we threw at it with ease. Frame rates were consistently smooth, even at high settings. The RTX 4070 GPU really shines here, delivering stunning visuals and smooth gameplay. We also tested some esports titles like Valorant and Apex Legends, and the laptop flew through them. The 240 Hz refresh rate provided a noticeable advantage, making the gameplay feel incredibly responsive. Section 5. Keeping cool, thermals and noise. With great power comes great responsibility, and by responsibility, I mean heat management. Gaming laptops are notorious for getting hot, but Acer has implemented a robust cooling system in the Helios 16. It features a dual-fan cooling system with liquid metal thermal grease on the CPU. During our testing, the laptop stayed relatively cool, even under heavy load. जब आप सिस्टम को बहुत यूज करते हैं तो फैंस जरूर तेजी से चलते हैं, but they're not overly loud. We were able to game comfortably without feeling like the laptop was about to take off. Section 6. On-the-go power battery life. Let's be real. Gaming laptops and long battery life don't usually go hand in hand. Helios 16 में एक 90 watt-hour battery है, which is decent for a gaming laptop. However, don't expect to be gaming unplugged for extended periods. In our testing, we got around 3 to 4 hours of battery life with light productivity tasks like browsing the web and working on documents. Gaming, as expected, drains the battery much faster, giving you around an hour or so of playtime. Section 7. Predator Sense. Unleashing the beast within. Acer. इस लैपटॉप के साथ अपना Predator Sense सॉफ्टवेयर भी देता है, giving you granular control over the laptop's performance. आप fan speeds adjust कर सकते हैं, system temperatures monitor कर सकते हैं, and customize the RGB lighting. The software is user-friendly and offers a good level of customization. आप different performance profiles create कर सकते हैं for various scenarios, such as gaming, work, or watching movies. The RGB lighting is also a nice touch, allowing you to personalize the look of your laptop. Section 8. Audio Experience. Sounds of the game. Good audio is crucial for an immersive gaming experience, and the Acer Predator Helios 16 doesn't disappoint in this department. The laptop features DTS:X Ultra Audio, which delivers loud and clear sound with decent bass. Whether you're gaming, watching movies, or listening to music, the speakers provide an enjoyable audio experience. ये speakers इतने loud हैं कि एक small room को easily fill कर सकते हैं, and the sound quality is surprisingly good for a laptop. Section 9. Value Proposition. Price and Competition. Acer Predator Helios 16 की price competitive है, और ये Asus, MSI and Razer जैसे brands के other gaming laptops को टक्कर देता है. It's important to compare specs, features and prices to determine which laptop offers the best value for your needs. Compared to some competitors, Helios 16 अपने powerful specs, stunning display और robust cooling system के साथ अच्छा प्रदर्शन करता है. However, some alternatives might offer slightly better battery life या a more compact design. Section 10. Final Verdict. Is the Predator Helios 16 worth it? So, after putting the Acer Predator Helios 16 through its paces, क्या ये आपकी मेहनत की कमाई के लायक है? We've tested its performance, build quality, and overall user experience extensively. The short answer is yes, for the most part. It stands out in several key areas that are crucial for gamers. It's a powerful gaming laptop that excels in performance, display quality, and overall build quality. The visuals are stunning, and the build feels robust and premium. 13th Gen Intel Core i9 processor or NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 GPU का combination एक exceptional gaming experience data है, ensuring you can run the latest games at high settings without any hiccups. While the 240Hz display provides buttery smooth visuals. This high refresh rate is perfect for fast-paced games, giving you a competitive edge. The cooling system laptop could thanda shant rakhta hai, even during intense gaming sessions, which is crucial for maintaining performance and longevity. And the Predator Sense software offers a good level of customization. You can tweak settings to optimize performance and personalize your gaming experience. However, battery life average hai, which means you'll likely need to stay near a power source for extended gaming sessions. And some competitors might offer a more portable design. If portability is a priority, you might want to consider other options. Overall, Acer Predator Helios 16 एक बढ़िया choice है उन gamers के लिए जो top-notch performance चाहते हैं and are willing to overlook the average battery life. Its strengths in performance, display, and build quality make it a compelling option for serious gamers.